Ngayong weekend, makikita ang mabuhay Scarborough Filipino Fiesta sa loob ng isang kilalang mall sa Toronto. Ito ang unang beses na magkakaroon ng Filipino celebration sa loob ng mall sa rehiyon kung saan may malaking populasyon ng mga Pilipino. Silipin natin sa report ni Kisha Balatbat.
Sa loob ng isang kilalang mall sa Toronto na Scarborough Town Center, agaw pansin ang mabuhay Scarborough Filipino Fiesta, event ng Scarborough Spots at Scarborough Town Center. Bagamat may malaking populasyon ng mga Pilipino sa rehiyon, ito pa lamang ang unang beses na magkakaroon ng Filipino celebration sa loob ng mall.
I came in here as the first Filipino marketing manager, so it was just a passion project, and just seeing all the celebrations that happen here that celebrate different cultures. So we do Lunar New Year, we do Toronto Caribbean Carnival, so I just thought we need to do this now.
Sa fiesta, merong Filipino market, cultural performances at podcast recording. Hindi rin mawawala ang ilang pagkaing Pinoy.
We have Jollibee, which is a huge one for us. So celebrating the juicy fried chicken straight from the Philippines, celebrating those flavors. We have Scoop La Dimitri's that offers ube ice cream, for example. Mary Mi Mochi, who has Filipino-inspired flavors as well. And we have some really great local entrepreneurs that are here that are Filipino as well.
Kabilang dito, ang negosyong Refuel TO, negosyo na nag-aalok ng healthy o masustansyang desserts.
I started this business a few years ago when I was starting my health journey. So I was looking for something sweet. I have a really big sweet tooth, so I'm always looking for something to incorporate protein as much as I can in my diet. So I stumbled upon these recipes, so it's really good for me to incorporate with my active lifestyle. So something that's not really high in calories or high in sugar, so I'm still able to enjoy it along the way.
Ngayong Filipino Heritage Month, naglabas sila ng mga produkto na may halong Filipino flavors.
These are all my favorites, but specifically for this event, I decided to do ube because it's it's national flavor, right? So this is the first time I was doing ube donuts, so today everybody got to try some and they really liked it, so I'm really happy about it.
Isa pa sa mga makikita rito, ang jeepney photo installation na dinesenyo ng Filipino artist na si Jazz Alba. Pinagsama-sama niya ang ilang kilalang simbolo ng Pilipinas at Canada sa disenyo, halimbawa lamang ang sampagita.
We wanted to make the jeepney a bit of Scarborough and a bit of the Philippines, right? So we have the Sambaguita flowers there, of course, and then the waves are to kind of connect Scarborough, which has the waves on its flag, to the Philippines, which obviously we're an island, we're many islands, right? So that was the connection there, and just adding these little details. But at the end of the day, this is something that we want to really celebrate, for people to take pictures with and have pride of not only being Filipino but also being from here in Scarborough.
Ang selebrasyon ng kulturang Pilipino sa loob ng isang kilalang lugar, malaking bagay daw para sa komunidad.
It's an absolute dream come true to be here at Scarborough Town Center. We grew up here, and it's just beautiful to see that we have representation here at Scarborough Town, which is, Scarborough is one of the largest populations of Filipinos outside of the Philippines, and obviously that carries on to the GTA. So, just proud to represent, and it looks like it's been a great success so far.
Bukas ang pistahan sa Center Court ng Scarborough Town Center simula ngayong araw, June 5, hanggang Linggo, June 7. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.